Good day, I'm Lance Ramos from BIS IT3Y1-2 and I'm here to explain the part 2 of our laboratory activity number 2. Dito is gagamit tayo ng input function para hingin yung employee name. Next is gagamit pa rin tayo ng input function pero this time is dadagdagan natin siya ng float. So, para sa nga ba ang float? Gagamitin natin ang float para maging decimal of one number or more ang number na in-input natin. Next is magse-set tayo ng constants which is yung overtime rate and tax rate natin. Next is kukunin natin yung overtime pay by using the asterisk multiplying the overtime hours and overtime rate. Next is kukunin naman natin yung gross salary by adding the basic salary and overtime pay by using arithmetic calculation, use the plus sign. Next is we're going to compute the tax by multiplying the gross salary and tax rate using the asterisk. Um, Next one naman is yung kukunin natin yung net salary by um, subtracting the tax to gross salary using the minus sign. Then, pagkatapos nito ay yung salary report is tatawagin lang natin yung mga variable name. So, gumagamit tayo ng F function para sa mas maayos na format ng result. And etong 2F naman is for exactly 2 decimal places.